Hi viewers, just testing this second-hand gasket. It's showing signs of over tightening in some spots, but hopefully with the torque wrench I can do the bolts up correctly and hopefully it will seal. It's pretty soft, it's not hardened or anything, so it still might seal. So I'll be putting that in the shifter here and hopefully no leaks. So I'll just undo this and I'll try it out. Righto, I'll just pull this apart. Alright, I'll just go fit this. Okay, all these are finger tight, so I'll just torque these up. This isn't set very high, so hopefully with this setting it shouldn't leak. Almost done. Okay, they're done up. I'll build the pressure up. Oh, we do have a leak. Alright, I'll have to tighten it up a little bit. Right, I've just increased the tension on that. I'll try again. Still continuing to leak. Right, I'll tighten it up again. Right, try again. Right, this will probably be my last try. I wouldn't want to go too much tighter than what I've tightened up now, but oh, here goes. Bugger. Now what I'll do is undo it again and place it back together and try again. Right, have another look. try again. No, it's still leaking. I'd say this one is no good. Right, I've tightened the tension up a little bit more. Try it once. No. Yes, this one is no good, unfortunately. Anyway, worth a try. Thanks for watching.